Alright, so we're going to start on the fire poker. I already split the spot for the horns. Just get a little bit more. They're not bad. I think I'll bend it back this way to get the snout and everything, and then we'll twist those up. Hopefully I don't burn them up, because I already started to burn some of it up. Well, I hit the wrong button. I already split the horns for the ram's head. I got it back in and going to hopefully bend it over, and then we'll, or maybe we'll shape the horns first and then we'll bend it. That might be better. Just going to bend one of these out of the way some. Always bend it back. Let me get some more heat in there. And I'm not going to worry about pausing the video because it shouldn't take long for the heat. Knock this one out of the way. Get that one pulled back up and round it. Then bend this over and hope that we can make a ram out of it. So far it just looks like I split something. can see that, right? Yeah. Let me get this heated up, and I'll push them together, and then we'll bend that back. Yeah, this coal that I got right from Tractor Supply is doing a great job. A little bit bigger than I thought it would be, so maybe next time I'll get, instead of nut coal, I'll get rice coal. But about right there is where I want to bend it. Bend it all the way back onto here, and then we'll work on the face. Yeah. So yeah, there's been a lot going on in my life over the last, well, basically since the last video I made. Second to last video. I had my mother pass on, took over her house, and then marital problems. And now I'm finally getting everything back in order. Get that a little bit hotter, and we'll bend that over more. Maybe even try doing it there or there. Well, my big fingers hit the button again. Yeah, like I was saying, I really enjoy this coal instead of charcoal. It seems like it keeps its heat a lot longer and heats the metal up real quick. That was literally only less than a minute. So let me get some more heat in that. It's starting to take shape. Just get that down and draw out the snout some, and I think we'll be doing good with that. Pull these out, and we'll have ourselves a ram's head. Put that back in, get it hot again, and it's not coming out too bad. Got a little cockeyed though. It's a little bit better. Maybe once we curl them up, it won't look that bad. Well, let's get that hot again and try drawing that out some and making a snout. Ram's head? Maybe. I kind of see it. Tell me what you think. Do you see a ram's head or you just see metal bent? Use that for the eyes. Use that for the snout, or mouth. And we'll see how it looks. Am I still recording? Yeah. Do a little bit more. I had myself a punch somewhere here. Let's see if I can do this out toasting my hands out. And it'll have to be done in bring it over here. Can you see it? Kinda, sorta. There we go. Give it some eyes. Not very big eyes. Alright, let's put it back in and see if I can get them spun. I cannot find my pair of pliers that I thought I had, a pair of vice grips. So we're going to make do. It won't take long for that other one to heat up. And these are not what I really want to be doing that with. My little shop here is such a disaster. I need to take a weekend and just get everything back in order. Wasn't paying attention and almost had a one-horn ram. Not too bad, not too bad. Kinda liking it. I almost burned that off. Give you a pause. Try giving him a little bit better eyes here. That's better. Looks like he has eyes now. Don't think it's too bad. So take a slight pause so that can cool off. Okay, so probably should have did the poker end first, so if I mess it up, I didn't waste all my time on that ram's head. But we're going to give it a try anyway. I got it in there heating up, and if memory serves me correctly, take it, draw it out, put it on the cutting hardy that I have, but don't cut it all the way through, bend it back, put some flux on it, heat it up, put some flux, then basically forge weld it and shape out another point. It makes it sound like I know what I'm doing. I've never done this before. So we're both going to learn at the same time. Alright, so got it started. We're going to draw this out, cut it about here, which I should probably make a mark to know where I need to cut it at. And I'm losing my mind. I need to cut it on this side. About right there. Okay. Yeah, we'll draw this out, cut halfway, fold it back. Wish me luck. And yes, I'm wearing a welding glove because I'm trying not to let it cool off too much. And I kind of want to see how this comes out. I'm impatient. So I probably won't pause this at all for all this part of it. Like I said, this is the first time for me trying this, so we will see how it goes. Now it must be the time for the Boy Scouts to get their can drive on. Round that up some more, and I think we'll be ready to cut that, fold it back. I swear, people, I am losing my mind. I found my wire brush. I think I'm going to draw that out a little bit more to a point, round it up more. Yeah, get that more of a point. Yeah, so it shouldn't take long for this to heat up. Okay. I procrastinated long enough. I think it's time. Let's make another mark there. So I can find it once I take it out. We'll cut it, fold it, and then we'll see if all the YouTube I've been watching helps me forge weld this. Our spoon that we made. Let's see if it works good enough. Might have to refine it some, but not too much of a big deal. I don't need, yes, I do need that. Okay, I did hit the cord. Probably way more than I need, but okay, back in it goes. Kind of stressful. Put that work into that ram set, and now hopefully this works. Hopefully. So, yeah, so let's, hopefully this works. And I would understand it's quick light taps to get it started, and then after, once it's welded, you're good to start going a little bit more. Yep. Put it back in. I'm going to put it this side up. The reason why I put it that side up is that I don't want that tip to burn off. But what I understand, if you put the tip up, it takes longer to heat up. don't know. I think we might have done it. Get it back in there and keep it at forge welding heat, so if it's not set, it soon will be. Always make sure you got glasses on. Make sure they're clean so you can see what you're doing too. Getting a little twisted here. Ram's a little off, but I don't know. I think we might have done it. Let's get back in there and get that point troweled out. Let's get that back in there, and not too bad. We'll take this and bring it up, and maybe just bring it up so it kind of goes back on a V. We'll see. And that hasn't taken me that long. Thought it would have taken me longer. Definitely need to get a lighter hammer. This is a 3-pound hammer, or I'm just out of exercise, so I can really feel that. I think I'm going to put some twist in this too. Find my twisting wrench, wherever that went now. It's here someplace, I'll find it. Oh, I just made a blunder. Thought I hit the record button, but I didn't. Okay. Straighten it up some. Hey, let's get this hot and bring this up and kind of bring it up and back like that. Which I think I may have an idea on how to get that. When indeed, improvise. And once I pull that out, I'm going to cool the tip off because I don't want to mess that up. And we'll try this. And we'll do the other one. I'm going to pull that tip off. Oh no, I think it looks like a fire cooker to me. Now I think I want to put a twist in the center here. Kind of take away from that factory look. Maybe I'll put it up here instead. Yeah, I think I will. Yeah, put the twist up here instead. Clamp in the vise here. Actually clamp it here and twist here. Nah, do it here instead. Okay. So, I'll put the bar in here, I'll clamp it, twist it. I think I'm going to do a couple of reverse twists on this. They haven't come out very well for me in the past, but we're going to try it anyway. And since I'm not 100% sure that this end is all that cooled off yet, I'm still going to wear a glove. And what I'm trying to do, say this is my ram's head, I'm trying to get just this part here so I have this sitting out of the fire. Hopefully it works and I didn't just burn up my ram's head. This will probably take a little bit longer, so This may not be hot enough, but we'll see. Ooh, I see a problem already. Looks kind of straight. Now I think I'm going to heat from here down and do a twist in the opposite direction. This time it's probably going to take a while for it to heat up. So here's the finished product. And I went a little bit too far on this one. I want one turn too many. So, and I'm not sure about this area here where it looks stock. But, so that's it. If there's anyone that can give me suggestions on what to make next, I'll be more than willing to attempt it. See you next time.